Welcome students to online audio and video lessons. This is an initiative taken by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, CBSE, Vasai, Maharashtra. High School going to teach you Chapter 6 of Computers for Standard 7. So this is the second part of the chapter, that is more on internet. So let's go with the video. The topic that is covered in this video is social networking. Okay, as you all are familiar with social networking, I hope everyone knows what is social networking. So this is what we call as a website that provides a community to keep in touch with friends or shares common interest is called a social networking site. Okay, a place where you can share your interest, share your things with your friends, that is online through a website, that is known as social networking. So where you can means in uh, real life we are social animals, like you all know. The same way that we need friends, we need everyone to keep with us, the same way in internet, if you are keeping with your friends, with your family members, that is known as social networking. So you all are familiar with this. So do you know which was the first social networking site? You have heard about Facebook, and many things are there. Facebook is there, Twitter is there, Instagram is there. So many social networking sites are there. But do you know which was the first social networking site? So the first social networking site was named as 6 Degrees. Yeah, 6 Degree was the first social networking site which existed between 97 to 2001. Yeah, between this time period it was there. And then came the second one, which the second website which came was the Friendster, that came in 2002. See, Facebook was, till then Facebook has not came. After that your MySpace came. MySpace is still in, it's a popular one. So MySpace came in 2003, and then came your Facebook, that is in 2004. And you all know who had developed Facebook. Yeah, who is the founder of Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. Good. So you all know about it. And after that came your Twitter was introduced in 2006. Then your Instagram came. All these are a type of social networking sites. Okay, and the most popular ones of the social networking now in today's date is Facebook, MySpace and Twitter. These three are the most popular social networking sites. Okay, so let's read one by one. First is the Facebook. Who has founded it? It was founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, and it is the most popular one is the Facebook. Okay, and they this Mark Zuckerberg was the student of Harvard University. Okay, and they have made it as a membership website for that university. But later on it was extended, and then it has become public, and now we are using it as a Facebook. Okay, so, and it is the world's largest professional network and is growing very rapidly. Do you know that nowadays even LinkedIn is a social networking site, you know na? LinkedIn is also a social networking site which is used for professional and job seekers. These are used by professionals and job seekers. Suppose you need some job, so if you put your profile on LinkedIn, then it is viewed by many other people so that you can find a job. And it is also one of the largest one of the largest social networking site in relation with professional networking. Okay, and it is also growing very rapidly. Okay, in Facebook we can create pages, you all know, because even your school Seth Vidya Mandir is having a page in Facebook. So that is why we use this Facebook, as it is used by many companies to set up their own business using the Facebook. Okay, so here you can communicate, you can connect with your family members, with your colleagues, with your peers. So there are so many people you can connect. If you are searching, you can go and connect with the persons. So Facebook is the social networking site in which you can have groups. You can be added to any of the group. Suppose if you like some cooking, so there are so many cooking sites are there in Facebook, so many pages are there, you can like them and you can add yourself. So all this are allowed by the Facebook, and it is actually used by everyone nowadays. Okay, it's a very helpful because you can tag anyone, you can use your mobile phone, you can use Facebook on your mobile phones and laptops, and you can tag people, you can share your location. So all this now, emojis are available, everything is available on Facebook. So it's nice thing to do in social networking. Okay, the next one is your MySpace. The next social networking site is your MySpace. Okay, and it was introduced in 2003 by Tom Anderson, as you have seen it by Tom Anderson, and it was the most popular between 2005 to 2008. Still MySpace exists. Okay, still MySpace is there, but it is not so much popular as the Facebook is going on. And in MySpace also, you are creating your personal profile, then share with your family and friends, the same as you are doing in the Facebook also. And it is actually used for sharing music sharing, instant messaging and video playing features. Now this site has become slow, and since this site has become slow, so it is less user friendly as compared to Facebook, and so it has become less popular in nowadays. Okay, so now you understand. Next is your, after this is the logo of MySpace. Can you see the three peoples? That is the logo of MySpace. Facebook logo, I hope you all know. So now let's see with the Twitter. Okay, Twitter came in 2006, and it was created by Jack Dorsey. Okay, who was the creator? Jack Dorsey. And in this, it's actually sending short messages like 140 characters, up to 140 characters, not more than that you can send. Long messages you cannot send. In this small messages are sent. As you all are familiar with Twitter, in Twitter we tweet things, na, the messages that are given in Twitter is called tweeting. And in this tweeting, if you follow a person, then that person whatever will tweet or write, you can see it. So there are followers. For Twitters you need a followers, like in Instagram you are having followers. The same way, that means if you are accepting their friend request, the same thing only. Like in Facebook, if you are accepting anyone's friend's request, then whatever things they are writing on their wall or on their timeline, you can see it. The same way, whatever whomever person you are following, their tweets, you can go through it. Okay, so Twitter is that type of thing. And nowadays Twitter is actually, whatever things is happening in their lives, people are informing using the Twitter. Most of the people use the Twitters. Okay, so and now you understand, these are the three most popular social networking sites, that is Facebook, MySpace and Twitter. And now Instagram has also came. So but this book was typed in 2013, so after that Instagram came, so that is why it is not there. But Instagram is also a type of social networking site. So hope students, you all have understood this chapter. Just go through this video. So hope students